Alrighty, everybody. Welcome back. Yeah, I know we're late today or this week. A video should have been out Wednesday, but it's busy. There's a lot of stuff going on in Blender. I'm a beta tester for, I don't know, but probably 4 to 6 different add-ons, and yeah, a whole lot going on. But anyway, this is just a quick update on clean panels. Probably not my viewers, but I know from looking around on the internet and everything, there's a lot of people that would like something to be done with the end panel. And I put a video out on clean panels. I don't know, 4 or 5 videos prior. You can check it and look at it. This here is an update version. Trying to get more stuff added to it to cover everything that everybody wants. Renaming, reordering, and possibly grouping, and a bunch of other stuff. This is the 3.0 version, and it's not released yet. It will be out soon after we get done testing it and make sure it's ready for release. There's still some issues to be ironed out with it, but I love it. It's great. As you can see, you all know I have too many add-ons. So I love this. So I mean, like if I'm doing, you see all my list over here, all I think that if I decide that I'm going to do some hard surface modeling, because I got a few of them. I got Fluent, I got HardOps BoxCutter, so like that. So I can hit my menu over here and hit hard. Right. See how instantly that went away. Now I got RanTools, Fluent, KitOps, and BoxCutter. I've also got Grid Modeler, but that's in edit mode, and that's on a right-click menu. But so all my HardOps are taken care of here, and then, when I'm done with it, I can turn the filter off, and all of them are back on there. It's the same, with anything else that I want to do. Here's DAZ right there's my DAZ importer, and all my DAZ work. And when you're done, you go back over here and turn it off. Then you can unfilter it like that. There are some things that were fixed. If you go up here to Tools, Workspace right here. Now, this filter add-ons right here. Now, sometimes, watch the box watch my add-ons right here. Sometimes that box is clicked. And if you see just View and Tools, then that means this box is clicked right here. And, there's a lot of stuff checked in here for filtering and all that stuff. But if you uncheck it, then all your tools will go back. So keep that unchecked, and you'll be fine. As far as the add-on goes, there's some things in here that have been checked. When you show advanced options in here, this is where you can get into your ordering and, everything. And like I showed in my previous video, these all the add-ons to move them and stuff. There's some developers, like I know ZenUV right here, ZenUV. There was a notice right here that would tell you that this was locked. You couldn't move it, and that's the developer. That's an option that the developer can turn on when he's developing, that he wants his add-on to be in a certain place and everything. This allows you to clear all that for all the ones that are like that. See, I don't have any of them like that. I think I had 2 or 3 of them that were like that. I have them on my previous video, but there's a button that would be right here that tells you to click it, and it's like an admin right to delete all that and everything. And there was an issue on the Mac. I don't believe those people that have Windows had it, but I know I had it. When I would click it down here, it would show a warning saying super user or admin had to be you had to enable it as super user. And I went into the terminal, logged in to SUDO and everything, and it still didn't work. So that had to be worked out, and MND fixed that finally. So that's working on the Macs, or that's going to be working in 3.0, I should say. Everybody. Oh, another thing you should know: you don't see my drop down up here, and you notice that I'm on Layout. So the drop-down menu is not up here, but you got to go to Modeling. Now you see here's the Modeling tab. I can turn on, right there's, all my filters and everything, and I can access the drop-down right here. Now this does the same thing. If you watch over here, my end panel, That does the same thing if I click hard surface here. Oh, and we got to go back to the filtering over here, but that's getting into, you know, a different territory. I don't really use this. I like the pie menu, the pie menu better because it's just much faster for me, and I mostly work in the layout window. But if we go over here, we can see I like my Y going that way also. My OCD is kicking in. But you can, if we bring this back up and we go in the drop down panel right here, see the drop down, show drop downs. You know, right now you can see that the drop down is there. Well, if all you gotta do is click this, and the show drop downs goes away. You enable it, then the drop down comes back. But that does not work over here in the layout window. If we go back down here, here we are in the drop down panel. If I disable that, you know, still there's nothing. You know, you can put this on both sides. You can put this on the right, you know, or left side. But if I click it again, see, nothing happens, you know, in here, so to speak. But right here, see direction. See, I have it on left. I can change this to right. You know, some people have it over here on the right side. I like it on the left. But there's that. And like I said, oh, that was, by the way, the advanced options. Like I said, see right here's the end panel. You got two end panel reordering. Then you got your pie, your drop down, and your workspace. So this here is what was added, and this here does all your reordering and everything. And other than that, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know about grouping yet. I guess they're working on the grouping. I don't know. But let me say preferences. But yeah, that is about it. I want to cover what's coming on. You know, the clean panels is working a whole lot better now. You know, a lot better, more responsive. You know, things are popping in right. You know, what we were troubleshooting in the 2. Version, whatever, 2.0 or 5 or whatever it was, but you know, some of these would pop in, some wouldn't. You know, there were some issues, you know, going on with that, but now this is all, you know, working fine and dandy. And you know, if I'm doing DAS work, you know, I can put in my DAS stuff. If I'm doing HardOps, if I'm doing hard surface modeling, I can put in hard surface modeling. And like I said, I haven't added on all my workspaces yet. You can see when I open this, and you can see when you turn this on, all these go away, waiting on you to, you know, pick something. And you see there's my UV right there. But my miscellaneous, you know, where I have screencast keys and the asset library and stuff like that. But you see I got, you know, this spot here. No, I don't want to turn that on. You know, this spot, you know, and that spot there. I'm not used to going this slow with the pie menu. That's why I'm hitting other things. But you see, I got 3 slots, and that's going to be rigging, animation, and other stuff. You know, I'm going to put all my rigging stuff like auto rig and everything in there and that. And then all my animation add-ons are going to go into animation and stuff like that. Then I'll have a whole, you know, 8 workspaces that pretty much cover all my workflow. That's about it for this video. I just want to let you guys know. I'm going to turn the filter back on. Just want to let you guys know what all's coming out. And, yeah, this is going to be good. For all you people that have been that have a lot of, you know, I guess, you know, you got to have a lot of add-ons. You know, because if you don't have a lot of add-ons, I don't really see the end panel being an issue for you. You know, if you can't at least fill this up, like I said, this is full right now, and I'm not even halfway done installing my add-ons on there. This is version 3.12, by the way. My version 3.0 that I have is complete full. You know, it's got Botanic and a whole bunch of, you know, it's all loaded. But I'm still in the process of getting everything in here. Then I'll have to get it into its workspace and clean panels and all that. But once everything is in here and all, you know, configured and lined up and all that ready to go, clean panels is going to be a blessing to help out when I'm you know, using the M panel and stuff. But anyway, with that, I will catch you guys whenever I have free time. We'll see. Things are crazy right now with my schedule. But until next time, adios, y'all.